Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and log out from your WhatsApp account. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, we'll simply go ahead and step into our video. For that matter, go ahead, access your WhatsApp on your mobile phone first. Once you have done so, you can find that kind of interface over there right in front of you, and if you would like to simply log out from it, you can go ahead, tap on your profile icon on top right corner, and if you go over here, you can see there are all the settings available, but you do not find a settings including your logout option, right? So for that, you can go ahead, tap on this account option, and here also it only available is the delete account option, where you have to go ahead, enter your, you can go ahead, delete your account permanently after adding in your number. That will simply remove your account as well, and then the next time you will have to create a new account. And the other thing would be simply going to your settings, scroll down and go to this apps section, and go ahead, find our WhatsApp from over here, and tap on your WhatsApp app, and now scroll down and tap on this option called storage over here, and simply clear your cache plus clear your data. If you tap on it, this will simply ask you, you can see all of the applications data will be deleted permanently. This includes all files, settings, accounts, database, etc. It will delete your accounts itself, and then afterwards you can go ahead, go back to your account. You won't be able to get access to your previous account. So this is the option for the WhatsApp. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.